our next video on rational numbers of part 2, playing with rational numbers. So here some points we will consider. Okay, first, standard form of the rational number. Second, comparison between rational numbers. And third, rational number between two rational numbers. Okay, so first we will see the standard form. Okay, first we will see the standard form. Now standard form of the rational number is exactly similar to the fractions, only the difference is here, one difference is your denominator shouldn't have the negative sign. Okay, for if I'll tell you the definition will be: a rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Okay, in fractions we are having the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1, but in rational number we are adding another point, which is in standard form the denominator shouldn't have minus sign, the numerator should have the minus sign, not in the denominator. Okay, so standard form means, first point, the numerator denominator shouldn't have the negative sign, and both P and Q shouldn't have any common factor rather than 1. Okay, so this is the standard form. For example, if I'll tell you that 5 by minus 7, this is not in standard form. This is rational number, but it's not in standard form. How we will form it in the standard form? If in a question you are getting that turn 5 by minus 7 to standard form, so how we will consider, how we will do this? You will write 5 by minus 7 is equals to minus 5 divided by minus of minus 7, which is equals to minus 5 by 7. This is now in the standard form. Okay, if I'll tell you 10 by minus 15, now both the points are here not working, so now we have to turn it to standard form. First, the minus sign, minus 10 divided by minus of minus 15, which is equals to minus 10 by 15. Now minus 10 by 15 is equals to minus 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 5, which is equals to, they are having common signs which will be cut, so minus 2 by 3. So this is the standard form of 10 by minus 15. Okay, next point we will consider the comparison between rational numbers. Okay, comparison. This is very easy, guys. This is just exact like fraction, there is no change. Okay, comparison, how we were doing in fractions, likewise we will do in rational number. Suppose I will write, state which one is the greater one, minus 2 by 3 or minus 3 by 2, which one is the greater one. So what I will do now, I will try to equate the denominators. Okay, so how will equate? I will take the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So I want to turn 3 to 6 and I have to turn 2 to 6. So minus 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 is equals to minus 4 by 6. Now this one, minus 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 3 is equals to minus 9 by 6. Now we got minus 4 by 6 and minus 9 by 6. Okay, denominators are same, so we don't have to consider denominator. So you have to consider minus 4 and minus 9 only. So From minus 4 and minus 9, which one is greater? Obviously minus 4. So that is minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 3 by 2. Like this we will compare. Okay. This was only for the comparison. Okay. If you have any questions to compare and you can't do that, please write in the comment section. I will try to cover it. Okay. Next point we had to consider is rational number between two rational numbers. Now this part is very important, guys, so you have to concentrate here. Rational number between two rational numbers. If I'll ask you to find out two rational numbers between minus 1 and 0, how will find? It's in fractions also we did this. Okay, minus 1 and 0, between minus 1 and 0, see, minus 1, you have to find out 5 rational numbers. Okay, 5 rational numbers. So if I know that minus 1 na, so I know that minus 5 by 5 is also minus 1, minus 6 by 6 also minus 1, minus 7 by 7 is also minus 1. Okay, so I can take any one, so I will take minus 6 by 6. So you have to find out the rational numbers between minus 6 by 6 and 0. Now we can find. Okay, so what are they? Minus 6 by 5, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 I got. So these are the 5 rational numbers between minus 6 by 6 and 0, which is between minus 1 and 0. Suppose I'll ask find out two rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. Now minus you have to find out 5, so I'll take minus 1 as minus 6 by 6. Here if I'm taking minus 2, I have to take the denominator as 6, because I want to find out the same denominator wise the numbers, rational numbers. Okay, if my denominator is 6, okay, what I should write here so that I will get minus 2 as my answer? If I write minus 12, I will get my answer as minus 2, minus 12 by 6. Okay, so you have to find out rational number between minus 12 by 6 and minus 6 by 6, which is equals to minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6. So these are the 6 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. Now if I'll ask find out 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Now similarly you have to change the denominator to same denominator of both. Okay, so LCM is 15, so I have to change these to 15 and these to 15. So minus 4 into 3 divided by 5 into 3, and minus 2 by 5 into divided by 3 into 5, which is equals to minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. Okay, so now between minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15, I have to find out 5 rational numbers, but here I can find out only 2, because minus 12 by 15, minus 10 by 15, the difference is only 2 only. Okay, so how can we can increase this? How? If I will multiply 3 here. Okay, again minus 12 into 3 divided by 15 into 3, and minus 10 into 3 divided by 15 into 3, which is equals to minus 36 by 45 and minus 30 by 45. Now between minus 36 by 45 and minus 30 by 45, I am having 5 rational numbers. Okay, now I can find out 5 rational numbers between them. So like minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, likewise I will go till minus 30 by 45. Okay guys, so this much only for the part 2, playing with rational numbers. Okay, in the next one, in part 3, you will see operations on rational numbers, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. and uh, that part is very easy and very important too. Okay guys, so if you have any doubt from this part, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much guys.